everybody. Welcome to the adventure camp. What a lovely morning. The sun is shining in the sky. And children, can you hear some sound? Yes, it's a bird chirping sound. Children, do you know what are birds? Birds are also called aerial animals. They have two wings which help them to fly, and their body is covered with feathers. They have 2 feet, and children, they don't have teeth to eat. Then how do they eat? They eat with their beak. They have a sharp beak. Today I am going for bird watching. I am so excited. I am ready with my bed, my binoculars, my hat. Are you all ready? Come with me. Let's all go together. Children, do you know what do I see? I can see a beautiful dancing peacock.
It has colorful wings. It is the national bird of India. It eats grains, insects and seeds.
Shh! Children, don't make noise. I can see a bird. If you will make noise, that bird will fly away. Do you know which bird can I see? Yes, it is an eagle.
It is a very strong and powerful bird. It can fly very high. It has a very strong eyesight which helps to see far away.
Look, children, what a lovely pond. Wow! And there is a duck family sailing in the water.
Duck is an aquatic bird which lives in water. It has a broad and flat beak. Its webbed feet help it to swim in the water. Children, do you know what are webbed feet? In webbed feet, fingers or toes are joined by a web.
Oh, there are many trees. And on these trees, I can see many different birds. Let's watch them closely, one by one.
Oh, look! What a beautiful bird! What is it doing? It is making a hole in the tree with its beak. Do you know the name of this bird? Yes, it is a woodpecker. A woodpecker has a long, strong and sharp beak which helps to make a hole in the tree, and it lives in that hole. There is a parrot. Parrot is a green colored bird with a red curved beak, but it can be found in many bright colors. It is the most intelligent bird which can copy whatever others say. They eat fruits, seeds, nuts, chilies, etc. Look! There is a crow also. The crow is a very common bird. It is black in color. It is known as the cleverest bird. Children, you must have remembered the story of the thirsty crow and how smartly it quenched its thirst. It has very strong claws. This is an owl. An owl is also called a night bird. It stays awake in the night time and sleeps during the day. It has flat face and two big eyes which help it to see far away in the dark. It can turn its head in any direction. Look children, this is a pigeon. Pigeon is a grey and white colored bird. It is an intelligent bird and was used as postman in olden times. It lives in groups. Because of its long wings and powerful flight muscles, it is strong and quick flyer. Oh wow! Look at this small bird. It is very cute. This is a sparrow, generally found everywhere. It eats grains, insects, worms, and seeds. Its chirping sound everywhere makes us feel fresh. Oh, look at this big bird. It is an ostrich. It is the biggest bird in the world. It has long and strong legs. Though this bird cannot fly, but it can run very fast. Oh, see these playful birds. These are penguins. Like ostrich, even these birds cannot fly. So, these are called flightless birds. Penguins live in very cold places. They love to play with snow and swim in the water. They have webbed feet like ducks. Children, I am sure you must have enjoyed the bird watching session. Thank you. Bye bye.